This is one of those things where you get a little bit of inspiration and then the idea sticks in your head and you have to do it. So I'll show you what I made. In the scrap bin, I have this little piece that should work. Not quite. We will thin it down. So now we need to cut this shorter, and that'll be our wedge. We'll cut it a little bit shorter, and let's do attempt number 2. There we go. So far, iteration number 1 doesn't work too great. I already have plans for 2. Should make it work a little better. Not the cleanest chamfer, but it worked.